He offers this girl a snack and says she'll get 100 if she takes a bite. So she took a bite happily, but then he suddenly asks her to pay 100 instead. She immediately spits it out,
放个咧，上不起咩？
but he just picks it up and eats it again like nothing happened. That's when the girl next to them notices. Are you okay? I want one too.
我也想吃烤肠。
Hearing that, he instantly gives her a brand new one and says, see, that's how you're supposed to act. But the first girl is not having it. That's not okay. Stop acting cute. It's annoying.
哥哥，你看他怎么这样呀？
She turns away, clearly disgusted, and then this happens.